Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Needl Drive in your Needl.ai account. Needl Drive acts as a personal drive for you where you can upload any data that you want and use it further to curate feeds, share with your team, and much more. To access Needl Drive, you need to go to Apps present in the left corner and click on Needl Drive. Once you click on Needl Drive, it will open the Needl Drive for you. To upload files here, you just need to click on Upload Files and select any files from your desktop. Let's say I have selected one file and it is now uploading. It takes a couple of seconds for the file to get uploaded. Once the file is uploaded, you can take further actions on it, as in share with your peers, download the file again, delete it from here, or more actions like opening it in a new tab, extracting tables out of it, adding it to your notebooks, assigning tags to it, or bookmarking it for later use. All of these actions you can perform on any of the files that are present in your device. Needl Drives helps you bring all the offline data that you have in your desktop along with all the real-time information you have flowing from multiple apps and websites that you have connected. This ensures that your feeds, your My Data not only have new information flowing in, but also all the proprietary and past information is available as well. I hope this was helpful. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us and we will be more than happy to assist. Thank you.